Welcome to the Heart of the Home. I'm Chef John Maxwell, and I'm here at Meadow Hall in Meadow Event Park in Doswell, Virginia, where we get a chance every week to play with some great Virginia food. Today, we're going to be playing with Virginia lamb, world famous for Virginia lamb. I'm going to make some shish kebabs, and shish kebab is an interesting thing from the Middle East that I think you'll enjoy our approach. And I've got some ground lamb here. I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt, all right, a little bit of pepper. And the actual amounts of these are going to be on the website. The recipe will be posted there, but we're just going to go through and use a little bit of these. I got some cayenne pepper, a little bit of that. I've got some dried grated lemon rind. Now you can either grate your lemon and do it yourself, or you can buy it in the grocery store. They sell dried grated lemon rind. Next is going to be some coriander, and this is what coriander looks like whole, right? And I'm going to use a little bit of the coriander ground. It's just got a gorgeous aroma. Right? And it's a very typical Middle Eastern spice, coriander. Next is going to be some cumin. And I've got some cumin here. I've got it ground. And again, big Middle Eastern spice and also Southwestern spice. But this is what it looks like in its seed form. So once I get all the seasonings in there, I'm going to mix this up. And make sure it tastes good. Let me get that there. This is my little grill. I love it. Just going to give it a couple of seconds to get good and hot there. I'm going to take these. These are shishes for a shish kebab. Shish kebab means sword of lamb. So this is a sword, traditional in Turkey. So I'm going to take a little bit of the lamb, kind of flatten it out just a little bit. Right? And I'm going to wrap it around this sword. Right? And I'm going to make sure it's on there. Right? And then I'm going to put this down on the, hear that sizzle? Ah, I love that sound. All right, so I'm going to get another one. And flatten it out just a little bit. Wrap it around the sword. Now, if you're doing this in your backyard, you can give everybody their own sword. They can play with their food as much as they want. While this is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and make the sauce. I've got some good locally produced Greek-style yogurt. It's nice and thick. All right. And I'm going to use some of the same spices, the cumin and the coriander, the lemon rind, all right, the cayenne pepper, and a little bit of chopped mint. All right. Now I'm going to mix this all up. Get it all mixed good. Now this should set for a couple of minutes to let the flavors kind of develop. Okay, we're going to let that happen in this bowl. All right, these are about ready to come off now. I'm going to cut this down and take this off. And I'm going to set it down here. I've got one of these opened up. I'm just going to kind of set it in and out so that you get a chance to see it. And we've got traditional lamb shish kebab, sword of lamb, and we're going to put a little bit of sauce on this one. And I'm not going to put it inside so that you get a chance to see what's going on with it. So there we go. Shish kebab with a yogurt and mint sauce. So join us next week on Heart of the Home, where we get to play with great Virginia food.
Recipes from the heart of the home can be found on the Virginia Farm Bureau website at vafb.com, as well as on Chef Maxwell's website at chefjohnmaxwell.com.